Hey guys, wanted to run you through the final shot of this Jamar video where the number on his jersey changes from number 1 to number 7. It started with a track of the original number. I actually used the LSU on the front of his uniform to track the position, scale, and rotation. From there I went ahead and painted out the original number, starting with just a soft mask around the edge, and then actually used the original shot layered on top of it as a track mat to focus in on the number area itself. The new number was just a vector layer that was linked to that null object we tracked in. With the addition of some gradients and outline, some noise and blur, it really blended nicely with the original shot. Finally, I went ahead and masked his arms back on top of the numbers, and then with a color grade, it really brought everything together. Hope some of y'all might have found this useful. I'm trying to provide a look behind the scenes rather than just sharing the final product, so let me know some feedback.
We don't believe in low expectations. When we set a goal, we surpass it. And when we surpass it, we set a new one. That's the LSU standard of performance. And like the 3 letters on our chest, it never changes. The only thing that does is the name on our back.